This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Subaru Impreza backseat. First, locate the two retaining clips at the front edge of the lower seat cushion. These are usually found near where your knees would be. Firmly pull up on each clip until you hear it release. Once both clips are disengaged, slide the entire seat cushion forward a few inches. Then, you can easily lift the cushion out of the car. This first step is quite straightforward. Now that the lower cushion is out, let's tackle the seat back. Begin by folding down both sections of the rear seat back. This will give you clear access to the upper mounting bolts. You'll find two bolts, one on each side, near the top of the seat back where it pivots. Use a 12mm socket wrench to carefully remove these two bolts. Keep them safe, as you'll need them for reinstallation. This step prepares the seat for its final removal. With the upper bolts removed, focus on the lower section of the seat back. There are two more 12mm bolts located at the very bottom, securing the seat back to the floor. Carefully remove these two bolts. Once all four bolts are out, the seat back is almost free. Gently lift the entire seat back assembly straight upwards. This action will disengage it from the two metal hooks that hold it in place at the bottom. After lifting the seat back off its hooks, you can now carefully maneuver the entire assembly out of the car. It might be a bit bulky, so take your time to avoid scratching any interior surfaces. Remember to keep all the bolts and seat components in a safe place for when you're ready to reinstall everything. Reinstallation is essentially the reverse of these steps. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.